Yeah, good idea for one of us to. The last one right at the front of the pole, too, just a little one though. I think I'm in 36 feet here if you want to check. Yeah. So we need a trap or something.
Here, I'll get these guys going.
Here.
So that's like live. That's okay. It uses sonar, so if it's something bigger, it'll be like a wider anything with more mass to it.
Right on the bottom, all you see is that red bar on the bottom. Gets bigger.
No, it's deceiving, especially like whitefish.
Over top of the fluid, well, yeah, and the way he's done.
Grab that fish. No, it's okay, bro.
No. Take it. Take it. Yeah, I catch lots of fish. Yeah.
Sure, that's the.
Huh? Yeah.
Really? So it's that big. Not too small, that's okay. Like they'll do anything. It's not friends on there. What do you want? Like company one or personal one?